Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. I will be participating in a Trash to Treasure challenge that is hosted by Casey from her channel is Coffee with My Sunshine, and her co-host is Jessica with Measure and Mix. Those two ladies are not new to my channel. I have been following them for a while. They are amazing crafters. They are amazing DIYers. They have lots of cool videos that given me lots of inspiration. So I just love it. So if you have not met any of those ladies, all the information will be in the description below, along with the playlist for this challenge. All of us who participate will be uploading the video to the playlist. So if you want to see more DIY or crafts to Trash to Treasure, you will be just, go on the playlist, click on it, and watch it away. So, but this is what we're going to be doing today. This will be a first one for me. I have been saving lots of my recycle items, trash items. I'm becoming a hoarder, I think. So, but this was a perfect opportunity for me to try because I have one or two projects in mind, and I was waiting for some. My dad is helping me with a couple of recycle items, so he finally, he's a truck driver, he finally came home and brought me some. So now I will be able to use them. Anyway, this is what we will be doing today. If this is something you are interested in, please continue watching. All right, for this project, I finally got my equal box empty that I did not put it in the trash. So I saved it because I really would like to make this project. This is reminds me of my home where I was born, which is I'm from Ukraine. So I brought some napkins when I was there, I don't know, like 5 or 6 years ago, that I would like to use it and make a really pretty box flower out of it. But some of the items are not old, and I just have them for a while, but I haven't used. So I'll be using my chalk white paint, some rocks that I got from the Dollar Tree, a foam, a Mod Podge, and a couple of ribbons that I purchased on clearance at the Dollar Tree that I had no use for them. And finally, this is the colors of Ukraine. I will be decorating a box with it. But sunflowers, I keep buying them, so I have a lot of those because this is a national flower of Ukraine. So I will be creating a box that reminds me of where I am from, and I kind of like it. So this is what we'll be using. Okay, so for this project number 2, I will be using my, I guess, saved mason jar. My dad brought it for me. He's using them for whatever he needs them. He's a truck driver, so he's using them a lot to stash all his stuff, whatever he wants it in there. So he has been collecting it for me. So that's the main trash kind of item. Then I will be using some kind of seashell that I bought from Dollar Tree, then a little bigger shells, some rocks that I have left from the prior project, some jute, and some succulent that I have purchased and have not really used it. So this is what we'll be doing. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how my little flower box turned out. And just so you know, just for your information, I was born and raised in Ukraine. I have been living in US for almost 18 years, so Ukraine is still dear to my heart, and I'm always trying to, have something that reminds me, because my mom's buried there and my grandma's still there. So it's kind of, that's why I bought those napkins in Ukraine, and I was happy that I could have done something that will be a good memory. So this was not very difficult. You saw how I used the equal box, because apparently I'm using lots of equal sugar. So this was project number 1, and I am been so into ocean sea theme that I am been buying a bunch of seashells and stuff, because I do live in Texas, but I don't have I guess the ocean close by. It's 4-5 hours, so I was happy to make this. And yep, my dad keeps giving me those mason jars, so I was happy he brought me a couple. Anyway, that was 2 items that I made. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you, lovely ladies, Casey and Jessica, for amazing challenge. I really enjoyed participating in it. And if you guys would like to see more videos, don't forget there's a playlist going, and it's in the description below. Just click on by and continue watching. But if you're one of my new people and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. If you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye.